I adopted my best friend. I was 19 and my best friend Jordan was 17. I loved him like a brother. But one day, just before my sister Mia's wedding, everything fell apart. The night before the big day, a rumor spread like wildfire. Mia had supposedly been in a living relationship with someone else. The news reached the groom's family and they called off the wedding. Our family's reputation was shattered in an instant. We soon found out who started the rumor. Jordan, my best friend. I was furious and knew I had to teach him a lesson. At first I thought about confronting him at school, but then a better idea came to mind. Jordan was an orphan. His parents had tragically died in a car accident years ago. I remembered that in our state, you could legally adopt a 17-year-old. The next day, I called the orphanage and found out I could adopt Jordan. I went straight there, completed all the paperwork, and by the end of the day, I had officially adopted him. At school, I handed him the adoption papers and said, "You're officially my son now." Jordan didn't believe me at first, but when he read the documents, his face was priceless. But that wasn't the end. The orphanage posted a picture of us on Instagram with the caption, "Liam and his new dad." The post went viral at school, and soon everyone was calling him Liam's kid.